What's the meaning of bacteriologist? Bacteriologist. Bacteriologist.
Bacteriologist. Bacteriologist. A bacteriologist is a scientist who studies bacteria, their characteristics, and behavior. They investigate the interactions between bacteria and other organisms as well as the environmental factors that affect them. Their work is critical in identifying harmful bacteria that cause diseases and developing effective treatments to combat them. Bacteriologists use a range of techniques to study bacteria, including microscopy, biochemical assays, and genetic analysis. They play an important role in industries such as food and pharmaceuticals, where they ensure the safety of products and develop new treatments. Overall, bacteriologists are essential in our understanding of bacteria and their impact on society, health, and the environment.